Welcome! In front of me I have Cubot X19 and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time settings on this device. First, let's open the settings. To do it, swipe up on the home button right here twice, like this, and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll all the way down and select the system. Here tap on date and time. And now to change the date and time settings manually, we need to turn off automatic date and time. So let's tap on automatic date and time right here, select off. And now we can tap on set date. Here we can swipe left or right on the screen to scroll through the months, as you can see. Then we can tap on the day to select it and tap OK to confirm. Now let's tap on set time. And to change the time, simply press and hold on this green circle like this and drag it around the clock face to adjust the hour. Release it and do the same for minutes like this. Then tap OK. You can also change the time zone. To do it, turn off the automatic time zone. Tap on select time zone. Here select region. And now find the region you want to use, for example Belgium, and simply go back like this. And here we have an option called automatic 24-hour format, and we can enable it or disable it. If you disable it, you can enable option called use 24-hour format manually. Basically, you can change the time format from 12-hour or 24-hour format. And that's how you change the date and time settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.